Hello everyone, today we're going to be installing a latch, or not a latch, I guess a little magnetic thing to hold your cabinet door shut when it keeps opening and you don't want it to, and it keeps opening and you don't want it to, and it's annoying. So I'm going to show you how to fix that using one of these little magnetic clip things. It's got 3 screws, got the little magnetic plate there. So we're gonna go ahead and install that. Take the screws off here. Okay. So find a place where you want to install this. Somewhere where it'll be out of the way. I thought about maybe putting it on the bottom, like so, but then I figured if you pull the glasses out, you'd probably hit that and probably knock one off and break it. So I was like, that's kind of not really super good. I thought maybe right in front of this right in front of this shelf would be a good idea. Seems like it recesses far enough, so, and it's kind of out of the way of stuff, so I think that's where we're gonna put it. So alright, so basically this is a simple matter of installing, hold on a second, installing this thing here. Go. Okay, so open it up. It's not staying. So we're just gonna put that thing right here. So we're just going to put this up there and hold it there, and then we're gonna use a little finishing nail, or a little nail. We're gonna do a pilot hole for one of our screws. So okay, so got a little hole started there. Now we'll pull that out there, and then we'll get there's 3 screws that come with this little kit. 2 have a rounded top, and it's more round on the top, and then the other one it's got like a flat top. And you need the flat one for the plate that goes on your door, on the inside of the door. So anyway, we'll go ahead and install this first. Hold this up. Try and get the screw into the pilot hole. This is the hard part. So I'm gonna hold that up there, and then these screws, I tried all my screwdrivers with the appropriate Phillips head on them, and they all don't fit very well on my screwdriver. So oh my goodness. Okay, trying to get it to the hole there. Come on. Okay, so we got it to the hole, and I'm gonna try and push and screw it in. Okay. Oh, that's great. It's I'm gonna have to try and find another screwdriver. The head on this, the Phillips head, the screw is very shallow, the head, so the tip of this keeps hitting the base of the screw there, but it's not wide enough at the tip to really get a good grip, because it's not letting it sink far enough in. So the tip is hitting, and then it's not going all the way in, and it's not getting a very good grip. I've tried 3 different screwdrivers, are all like that. So I'm trying to find another one. We'll be right back. Alright, we're back. So I found a longer screwdriver, and this one actually seems to, it wasn't the largest one, it was like the second largest one, actually seems to fit pretty good. So I'm just going to screw this in here. Maybe. Made not so easy by the shelf being there. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to screw that in. I'll pause you because you don't need to see me doing that. Be right back. Okay, so we got one screw in there. Okay. So we got one screw in there. And then we're just going to same thing, we're just going to hammer with a nail, do a little pilot hole, get that other one started, and then screw it in as well. Okay, so we'll do that. I'll be right back. Okay, so got the other one screwed in there, so you can see, and it's pretty much flush here with this. So then all we have to do is measure on our door pretty much. So it's right here. So then we just have to measure on our door where this is and then put the plate there. So I'm simply going to take a pencil and hold like this level thing here, draw a little thing in pencil on the wood. So okay, so I can erase it later. Okay. Okay, so now I know where it is there. I got two lines there. I don't know if you can see them on the camera, but okay, then I'll just go like this and try and transfer it basically here. And then I'll transfer it around the corner. And then when I put that, so I know where it is there. And then I'm just gonna get a level here and make these lines a little bit longer. Then I'll be right back and get the level. Hold on a second. Okay, we're back with a level. So now we're just gonna go ahead and extend. I'll do that now. Extend this. Alright. Okay. So we've extended the lines now. I don't know if you can see that, but it's there. And it's lined up with these lines here. So then all we have to do is figure out, once this is shut, how far it is from the door here on this side in to the thing. So just gotta draw a line where the door is. Okay, that's where the door is. Then we'll just measure in how far this is. It's in 1 inch, 1 and 3/5 inch to 1 7/8. Wait, 1 3/8. Sorry, to 1 7/8. So then we just close. So then we just measure from our edge here, 1 3/8 to 1 7/8, and then that's where we need to put the thing. Put the little metal plate. So it's pretty simple. Okay, so 1 and 1 3/8. So 1 and then 1 2 3/8 to 1 7/8. Okay, so we got the markings there now, and it should be. I'll just double check my. It's good to measure twice. 1 and 1 2. Yep, 1 3/8 to 1 7/8. So. Yeah. Okay. So then that's where we'll put our little plate. This might be the. Okay, so we're just gonna put it in between our lines that we've drawn, and it's got little teeth on it, basically, so you can tap it into or press it into the wood there. Okay, so we're just gonna press it. Okay, so I pressed it in there, and then it'd be kind of hard to screw this in because this door is swinging, and a lot of times you need to put pressure on the door to push it. So if you need to, obviously you can take the door off, put it on the ground, and screw it in the ground, but we're going to try not to do that. So I think what I'm going to do is just get a drill real quick and try and hold it at the farthest part there and just drill into it. I think that'll make it easier to screw it in, so I don't have to remove the door from its little attachments here. So we're gonna get, I think I just will remove it from the door there. Never mind. How hard can that be, right? So I think all we gotta do is loosen these. It should come right off here. So we'll just take the door off, and then we'll okay. Just take the door off, then we'll just put it on the ground, and then we'll just screw that in. Should be a lot easier. So that's what we're gonna do, and we'll be right back. All right, so we're back. Got it installed here, and that was really simple. Just took it off, took the door off, just unscrewed these two screws, took it off, screwed that in real quick, put it back down, and then we'll see if it's going to. Yay! It's staying. It worked. You can hear it click. Magnet is working. It's beautiful. All my measurements were precise. Okay, so anyway, yeah, just take a pencil, measure to get it lined up there, measure in with your tape measure, ruler, whatever, how far in you need to go, and then just take the thing, mark it off, put it in there. Really simple process. And now your door won't hang open annoyingly. Yay, problem solved. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day out there. And we'll be back with more projects, I'm sure. Okay, bye.